Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam. Today's topic is international communication. What is international communication? International communication, also referred to as the study of global communication or transnational communication, is the communication practice that occurs across international borders. The need for international communication was due to the increasing increasing effects and influences of globalization. As a field of study, international communication is a branch of communication studies concerned with the scope of government to government, business to business, and people to people interactions at a global level. Currently, international communication is being taught at colleges across the United States. Due to the increasingly globalized market, employees who possess the ability to effectively communicate across cultures are in high demand. International communication encompasses political, economic, social, cultural, and military concerns. Communication and empire. Efficient communication networks played crucial roles in establishing ancient imperial authority and international trade. The extent of empire could be used as an indication of the efficiency of communication. Ancient empires such as Rome, Persia, and China all utilized writing in collecting information and dispersing, creating enormous postal and dispatch systems. As early as in 15th century, news had been disseminated transnationally in Europe. The wheat traders of Venice, the silver traders of Antwerp, the merchants of Nuremberg, and their trading partners shared economic newsletters and created common values and beliefs in the rights of capital. The advent of telegraph and time space compression. In 1837, Samuel Morse invented telegraph. The telegraph worked by transmitting electrical signals over a wire led between stations. It was the first mode of communication to eliminate the effect of distance, allowing for a near instant, instantaneous connection. Given its speed and reliability in delivering information, telegraph offered opportunities for capital and military expansion. It also increased market integration. It did so by lowering the cost of trade by increasing the capacity utilization of shipping as showed in table 1.1. The establishment of cable hardware signifies global power order in late 19th and early 20th century. The era of news agencies. The newspaper industry and international telegraph networks mutually facilitated each other. Telegraph communications drastically altered the way in which news was produced. The individual items of modern newspapers became no longer selected on the basis of spatial proximity, but following newly emerging journalistic criteria of news relevance. As the supply and demand of the newspaper industry rapidly increased in the 19th century, news agencies were established successively. The French Havas Agency was founded in 1835. The German agency Wolfin in 1849 and the British Reuters in 1851. These three European agencies began as financial data services for bankers but eventually started to operate internationally and extended their coverage to world news. They were all subsidized by their respective governments. By 1866, national news agencies were beginning to rise in many European countries, while they covered and sold news locally. They relied on the major services of coverage and sales abroad. The global media and news agencies have played a fundamental role in contemporary globalization, making possible the feeling of instant communication and the experience of global connection. They have played a pioneering role in the use of new technologies such as the telegraph, which have altered the nature of news. Technological innovation continues to be a major area of competition between global news agencies. Thank you.